Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh, but you can make this at home without having to order HelloFresh. You can find all the recipes online that have all the instructions, amounts, everything. So it's really cool. I'll link the recipe below for this one. We're making zucchini paninis and oh my gosh, this was amazing. But if you do order from HelloFresh, they send you everything you need in pretty much the exact measurements. The only thing you need to add is salt, pepper, and olive oil. So the first thing you always want to do is wash all your produce, cut it up. I knew roasting the potatoes would take a long time, so started doing that first. Add some olive oil, salt and pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some garlic, and threw those in the oven. Meanwhile, I cut the basil, sun-dried tomatoes, and zucchini. Then I heated up some olive oil and added the zucchini. Also added in the rest of the Italian seasoning and some garlic powder and salt and pepper. And you're going to cook that for about 2 to 4 minutes per side till that's cooked through. And while that was cooking, I went ahead and made the basil sauce, which really made this. It was just so good. I'm adding some mayonnaise and the chopped basil. I added all the basil. I really love the flavor and the taste of basil. So added that, the rest of the garlic powder, salt and pepper, gave it a good mix, and set that aside. Then you can take your ciabattas and cut them open and put some of the mayo basil mixture on each side. You can also fill it with the sun-dried tomatoes and add your cheese. Then add the zucchini once that's done cooking. And then I wiped out the pan, added a little bit more olive oil, and then added my sandwiches back. And you could like press it down, or if you have a heavy pot, you can just set it on top to kind of squish it down and really brown it. But this was one of my favorite meals I've had. Who doesn't love basil and mayonnaise? I just think it's so yummy. Could have even totally did without the potato wedges, but it's very carb heavy, but very, very good. So if you guys would like to try HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below that will save you a ton of money off your first box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.